Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Axios API calls inside a React Native app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Axios API calls inside a React Native, begin by installing Axios. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm install Axios to install the Axios library. Now, open your React Native project in your preferred code editor. Locate the component where you want to make the API call. Import Axios at the top of your component file with the line import Axios from Axios. Next, create a new function to handle the API call. This function will be called when the component mounts or triggered by an event. Use the useEffect hook to call your function when the component loads. Inside the function, set the URL of the API you want to call. Use the Axios get method to make a GET request to your API URL. Handle the response by using .then to access the data returned from the API. In the success callback, you can set the data to your component's state. Use the useState hook to create a state variable to store. If there is an error, handle it using .catch to see the error message. Make sure to display any loading state while the request is in progress. You can conditionally render the API data once it has been fetched. Finally, test your application to ensure the Axios calls function as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Axios API calls inside your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.